What's up guys, everything in one, back again with another video. So today we will check out the new Redmi K30S, which is kind of another budget friendly device which brings top of the line specs. And here's the package of the phone, which looks really simple, and 2020 is mentioned on the front side, which represent 10th anniversary of Xiaomi. Coming to the unpacking experience, the box first comes with the handset itself, Redmi K30S, which is looking extremely glossy from the back. This is a flagship grade device and it offers Snapdragon 865 under the hood, which is currently the most powerful chip by Qualcomm. Apart from the phone itself, we are also getting a Type-C to headphone connector, a charger which is a 33-watt adapter, and there's also a USB Type-C cable. So here's the phone itself, which is looking really beautiful. The phone comes with the latest MIUI 12 and Android 10 out of the box. So as you can see, here are some specs listed which are looking really impressive. On paper, it actually offers really great hardware at an insanely lower price tag. Before moving towards the main specs, let's start from the display. It has a large bezel-less display here on the front that has a punch hole cut out for housing a 20 megapixel selfie camera. It has a big 6.7-inch IPS LCD display which supports a full HD plus resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The display also has a support for HDR10 Plus and 650 nits of brightness. What makes the display more impressive is that it has a 144Hz refresh rate, making the interface more quicker and smooth. Coming to the hardware, the Redmi K30S is powered by Snapdragon 865 chipset. The SoC is paired with up to 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The phone also houses a very large 5000 mAh battery that supports 30-watt fast charging. It also has dual linear stereo speakers, which is quite an important feature to have. Besides, the phone lacks a headphone jack, which is really disappointing. The back of the device has a beautiful shiny look with glass and metal design, and it also follows that current trend of having that rectangular shaped camera module which has 3 sensors. The main camera is a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, and it is supported by a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens with 123 degrees of field of view, and there's also a 5 megapixel macro shooter. It also supports 8K video recording. You can have a look to its pricing details in description area. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel if you haven't already. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.